Welcome to MB Tool Reviews. Today on the channel we have the Parkside wire stripper. This is Lidl's version of the Nipex wire stripper at a fraction of the cost. Okay, so let's have a look at some of the features. It has a cable stripper which can do from apparently 8 to 13 mil cross-sectional area. However, I used this recently on 1.5 flex, which is about 6 mil CSA. It's got both metric and imperial measurements on there, and it also has this open section here with metric and imperial measurements on there to show you how deep the cable is and how far along the cable you want to cut. It also has here several insulation strippers for single insulated cables or rounded cables, and two more which it says are for RG6 and RG59 cable. It also has this wire scorer here, which again it says is for 8 to 13 mil cable. It also has this lock-in mechanism here to safely lock off the tool so that you are not leaving it open in your pocket or tool bag and reaching it in. So the scorer blade is in here, which as you run it down the cable will slice it open. I have here some flexible cable which I'm going to use the sheathing removal tool to score the end of the cable and cut it away, hopefully nice and neatly. So you just pop it in the end there and apply the pressure as you rotate either the cable or the tool gently, as you don't want to score the internal conductors. So you go around, as you see it scores the cable for you, and when there's actually cable in there it's a bit more brittle, so it will break open a bit easier, but it is very good for the job. Okay, so now we have some flat 1.5 mil twin and earth cable, and we'll give that a shot. So again, you just pop it in the end, and this one you can actually push down and pull away, and it will remove the cable, and it has not scored the inside conductors. Okay, now we'll look at stripping some single insulated wire here from this twin and earth. It has markings of different sizes on the tool here. It's quite difficult to pick it up on camera. Here we go. 6 mil, 4 mil, 2.5, 1.5, 1 mil and 0.5 millimeters. Also has a end cutter there. So let's have a look. We'll put it in. Give it a twist. And actually that does a brilliant job of stripping the cable. Again, twist and pull, does a very good job there. In my opinion, this tool is pretty good value for money at around £6 from Lidl's. They only do it about once a year, but it's well worth a buy considering the Nipex version is £22, I believe. I think it does a very good job of stripping cables. I don't like it stripping the outer sheathing of the twin and earth, although it does seem to do it fairly easily. I don't think it's best for that. I think this is better for rounded cables or for single insulated cables. Even the single insulation of the twin and earth rather than the outer sheathing would be better. Thank you for watching today's video of the Parkside cable stripper. Please don't forget to like and subscribe this video, and if you have any questions about this tool or any other tools, please leave a comment down below. It'd be greatly appreciated. Thank you for watching.